Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode. Michael, can you back away with that? You're like two on top of me and I don't like that.
Hey.
Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Michael has that light, and now with that light I can't even see, but I know the food looks better, and I like that. And I just want to say
what's going on here?
Maybe you guys see me with this sweater like cooking all the time. Today I don't have any makeup on or anything because I haven't been feeling good. Like I told you guys when I was eating my soup yesterday, I told you guys about that. But anyways, you see me with this sweater because when we moved here, I mean, here in Austin it's supposed to be warm. But this year, it's been very cold and I really don't have any sweaters. It's like the only sweater that I have. So that's why you guys see me
sweater up all
the time, because I ain't gonna buy any more. You know what I'm saying? I did not sign up for being cold, you know. That's what I'm thinking about. Maybe later on we're gonna talk about something else. But right now, I wanna show you guys how to make meatballs. Actually, the way I make my meatballs. And this is what I do. Let me wash my hands again since I'm gonna be washing that meat. So I don't want you guys to, I'm gonna put it over here with hot water.
Yeah, we see the comments everywhere.
Yeah, we see the comments, people, you know, criticizing. Oh, she didn't wash it. Like you guys wash your hands all the time.
Not everybody.
Nobody
My mom
really
is the cleanest mom on the planet.
And I wash mine all the time, but
at least 20 times a day. Yep.
Oh, that's very hot. But anyway, so I wash my hands.
All right.
And this is a clean rag that I just took out of the dryer. I wash them, you know, but these are kitchen rags. Okay, so come over here now, Michael. So this is my ground beef, right? This is half of the beef that I made some tacos for you guys yesterday, right? And I'm going to take one.
Uno.
A lot of people put only one egg. And then they wonder, this one crack in there. Then they wonder why their stuff is not that goodo. I put 3 eggs in there. All right. And the reason why I want to put 3 eggs is because I'm also going to put, what is that? 1 tablespoon. What does it say there?
Wait.
Oh, no, the big one.
Wait. Let me see. 1 teaspoon.
This 1 teaspoon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for now, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon.
Salt it up. Back in the day, didn't people used to salt their meat before fridges came out?
Yeah, so it could last longer, but they used to put the meat like under the earth, you know, inside the earth, like dig a big hole. And in the summertime, they had to dig the meat more deep.
Right.
So it would
stay cool.
They would take the meat and dry it and make that thing that you guys eat. You guys don't eat anymore. That is that dry meat jerky.
Oh, beef jerky.
They make it like that, very dry.
Yeah.
Okay. So then that's one teaspoon of salt and 1 of pepper.
Oh yeah.
And I'm gonna put garlic in there, right? So we're gonna 1 and a half. Okay, so we have everything in there. Now what we're gonna do is
mix it up
with my hands. Let me take my ring off.
All right.
And with my hands, I'm gonna mush. You know, you gotta get in there. Huh? Get in there and mush. Huh?
Oh yeah.
Do this.
Mush it up.
Yeah, like this. You want all that, you know? So the eggs is gonna like hold the meat together. That's why you put eggs.
That's right.
To hold it. And then the bread is gonna hold it. I'm sorry, the bread is gonna hold it.
Bread or the eggs?
The bread is gonna hold it
breadcrumbs.
and it's gonna soften it.
Oh yeah.
But this is Italian.
Oh.
So it already has parsley. You see the green little leaves inside? It already has parsley.
Oh yeah.
This one is seasoned, but we put salt and pepper on it. Sorry. So I'm just
a little piece of meat.
Yeah, don't let her eat it. Doesn't matter. I know.
I got it.
You can okay.
Nice and mixed.
Okay. Put a little bit more of because I'm gonna sear them. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna put them in a pan with sauce that I bought, Italian sauce. I think it's just regular sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna make it Italian. It's very easy to do. So okay. So all this.
She ate it.
She did. Oh, she's gonna It was only a little bit. I hope you enjoy it, Ginger. Okay.
I try to save it.
See, it still looks wet. Just a little bit more. Because we want that, you know. Like that. And then a little bit more on this side. Okay. It's going to hold it, and that's why my meatballs are so good. That's the secret. The eggs and that breadcrumb, you know. Yes, I'm just going to make them delicious. Now what I'm going to do is, you're going to stay with me. I'm going to roll each meatball while we're all together here in family, right?
Family and
so
friends.
That's a big ball of meat, right? With all the respective breadcrumbs. We're going to start making meatballs. You want to make them big, Mike? A little bit bigger?
Let me see.
I like these big ones like this. What do you think?
Perfect.
Yeah, and you throw it.
You throw it.
And then, look, I take it with my hand.
Okay. Put it in the palm. Roll it up, roll it up. Everybody comment down below and tell us how you make your meatballs. Do you make it like my mom? Or
Yeah,
do you
we
make
can talk
it different?
about anything else. So anyways,
Yeah.
yeah. So while we make the meatballs, yeah, I want everybody to stay tuned in and watch us. You know what I'm saying? Roll them. Maybe you have meatballs with you. Maybe you want to go get yourself some meat. You know what I'm saying? And cash up with us and put this on hold. And then, you know, after you see this, then you come back and you see some grabbing some. I'm left-handed. So whatever I'm doing, if you're right-handed, do it the other way.
I think only 10% of the population is left-handed.
And you go like, oh, Mike, do we have to throw it out? We do, right?
It's okay.
Yeah, I know. We'll just put it there on hold in case somebody gets hungry
Meatball
after all
down,
the
meatball
meatballs are
down.
gone.
We can make that for the dogs.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what? Yeah.
That'll be the last meatball we fry,
Hey,
everyone.
Michael, great idea.
Right? We don't have to throw it out.
Yeah, meatball for the dogs.
Dogs love meatballs.
Yeah, they do.
I mean, Ginger just had some
I like
ground
these
beef.
big meatballs like that because I'm going to sear them on the outside, you know? And make them nice and crusty on the outside, like nice and fried, nice and crispy.
And what kind of oil are we using
But they're not
tonight?
going to be just, we're not really using any oil, but I'll use a little bit of,
Did I say
veggie
tonight? I
oil,
mean this afternoon.
you know?
Because it's afternoon. Oh, wait, let me show everyone the time.
Just for the sauce, I'm going to cook some
1:12.
parsley, oh, that's the only thing that I forgot to put on this oregano.
Oh, that's okay.
But it's okay, we really don't, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, those meatballs already look good.
They're looking good, right? And you see how fast I'm making them?
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you take them because they're not going to, you see? Like that. And you take a bunch in your hand. And more or less, when you eyeball something, more or less, you know how much or
Yeah,
how
roll that
less you need. Yes or no, Mike?
Oh, yeah. How many meatballs do you think this is going to make?
Let me see. 3, 4, 5, 4. I'm going to put one more in that corner. So that's 10. Let's see. 11. 12. It's too small still. Okay. 13. 14. 15. 17 meatballs.
17 or
I'm
16?
good. Get this.
All right. 17,
this one
everyone.
is too small. That one, right? They're making. But what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of each one. You know, like this one, a little bit. Put it there. There you go. And that little one that I said, oh, this one is not gonna look like the big one. Okay, hold on. Yeah, this Michael telling me to hurry up. He's like, Mom, hurry up. But I'm like, you don't understand. See how pretty they look? I want to do them all with you guys. Not one, not two. You know? Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more of that. I want to make them all. One. This one. And then the second part of this, I'm going to let you guys go. But before I go, I have to tell you the same thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And all the other places that we're in. And then along with the, so these are meatballs. Okay, along with all the other places that you can sign on, don't forget to follow the link below. And if you want to go on Patreon and donate $1, you don't have to. We're still going to love you. And I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to tap on that notification button. So every time we have videos like this, you'll be the first one to know. Michael, take that camera away from me. Don't you see what I look? I'll see you soon. Don't forget to come back. We're going to sear these and put them in the sauce. And I'm going to show you how to make my sauce from scratch. See you soon. parsley. Tomato sauce. Just regular tomato sauce. Garlic. Minced garlic with a little bit of olive oil inside. Okay, so I'm making my sauce, mama sauce.
Oh yeah.
Want to call it mama sauce?
Mama's meatballs.
But this is for mama's meatballs, but this is the sauce.
Mama sauce.
So what I bought a tablespoon of garlic.
All right.
I took like 4 pieces of garlic,
Yes.
oregano,
Yes.
Italian oregano, basil,
Yes.
and parsley. That's what is in here. Sorry guys, I was having a hard time. So it's basil, garlic, oregano, and parsley.
It smells so
And,
good.
basil, so I know it smells good. Can you smell that?
Herbs and spices.
Michael likes that. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna like let it get a little bit like the leaves. You see how the leaves are already? They're a little bit.
Oh
like,
yeah, let me
like
zoom in on that.
juicy. Yeah.
So what is it, Dizzy? Like,
So
oh.
what you're gonna put in the flavor. This is garlic, minced garlic, oregano, basil, and parsley.
All right.
And then I bought 2 large cans of tomato sauces. Can of tomato sauce number 1. They just regular tomatoes.
All right.
So I'm gonna make my own sauce. I'm tired of buying those sauces, and they're so expensive. I forgot. Get back for a little, Mike. Sorry.
Ooh.
I know. And what happened to my rags, Michael?
Oh, they're over there.
And this is another. So what I'm gonna do is put everything that I'm gonna put in for my sauce. So we're gonna be putting those meatballs that you see. This is a baby can of sauce that I opened yesterday, and I only opened half of it. I'm gonna finish opening this side like that. There we go. And then the other side, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Oh well. It's gonna be kind of like put that sauce in there too. So both of them, and then we're gonna put a little bit of brown sugar in there.
Oh.
Yes, and then
I think we need a lot.
Huh?
I think we need a lot.
A lot?
We gotta talk about this.
Well,
Everything has sugar, guys.
Everything has sugar.
Comment down below if there's sugar in everything.
Everything.
Or if there's not. If you think there's
everything in
not.
the supermarket that you buy has sugar. Any salt, marinara sauce, everything has sugar. Everything that you eat has sugar. Don't think
Even
it
the
doesn't.
plants
It
have
does.
sugar.
Even the plants have sugar. Even your juices, or my lemon juice and my guava juice, it has sugar. Sorry.
Even if
but
it
at
says
least it's
diet,
natural.
sugar.
There ain't no such thing as no diet drinks or anything like that. They water it down. That's what it is. And they're like, oh, it's diet? It's diet. People are so crazy.
Oh yeah.
But this is a quarter, right?
Wait. A quarter of a cup.
A quarter of a cup of sugar. That's perfect. Because we want a little bit of a tanginess. And now what we're going to do...
Mix it up, mix it
I'm
up.
going to put it on this side and the back burner. And we're going to put a lid.
All right.
And you guys, while that marinates there, and we're going to come back for the meatballs that we're going to cook.
Oh, that's
Don't
right.
forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like us. Follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. Everywhere you see us.
Pinterest,
follow us.
Facebook,
We're
Reddit,
gonna put a
Google
lid on that.
Plus.
We're gonna put that out like on 7-8, and we're gonna let that, right, Michael?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna let that marinate in there for like at least 45 minutes, and then we'll add up a little bit of here and there if it needs to. I'm just talking about salt, pepper, maybe extra sugar, but it really doesn't need anything. We just let it like simmer there for like 45 minutes, and then when we open it later, that's gonna be perfect for that pasta that I just cooked. And these meatballs, okay? Then these meatballs are going to marinate for those 45 minutes. We're going to sear them right now in a pan. Get them brown. They're still going to be uncooked in the middle. And then we're going to put them in that pan. If I don't come back, I'm going to make a video about it. So you guys are going to see me soon, later, frying these and corn. And then putting in that sauce and marinating for 45 minutes. And then when we come back at the end, everything's going to be put together, delicious. And I love you guys. So don't forget to come back, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget the notification button. Don't forget to sign up. Don't forget to go to the link below. And if you want to donate $1, you can donate $1. The name of the website is Patreon. And that's about it. And I love you guys. See you soon. Don't forget to come back. And we're going to be frying these. Just frying the meatballs. These are my meatballs that we fried. Look how beautiful they are. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a couple of scoops like this. We're going to put this sauce that I prepared, you remember, with the brown sugar. Oh, by the way, I put another 1/4 cup of sugar. So, Michael, if you want to come on the other side, because I got to like pull this up and pour it. And
I'm just looking how beautiful they are.
Okay, just stay like that. Stay like that. And I want you to show people. See? I told you that if I would have put this on the other side, what did I say was going to happen? Yeah. Now, what you do with these, I'm going to put them up front here. And I'm going to make sure that they all go, this is the spoon that I used to fry them, that they all go in the bottom like that, because they're covered. So we're gonna simmer them, and we're gonna cook them like on 4th for like 30 minutes, 30 or 40 minutes. We're gonna simmer them, and then they'll be done. We're gonna put them on 3, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to do what you gotta do, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter. Follow us. Take it from there, Michael. What
Pinterest, Google Plus, Patreon, everywhere.
That's right. So I'm gonna have a drinky drink of water with lemon slices.
Oh, that's good. Healthy.
Huh? Keeps the nauseous away. I don't know. I'm so nauseous all the time. But anyway, if anybody needs any tips, you beautiful ladies, they're out there about makeup and stuff. I'm just learning how to do all that after being over 50 and all, whatever. But I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And when these are done, later on, we're gonna come back. I'm gonna serve a bowl. I'm gonna cut one. You're gonna see how delicious they're gonna look. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming back. And like I said before, I know, Michael, take the camera away from me because
sorry.
You know, I have no makeup on. I don't feel you put that thing on my face like that. You know what I'm saying? Showing all my flaws. So anyway, these are Mama's meatballs that I made.
Open up, open up.
They're already fully cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have any queso to scrape on the thing. I'm gonna serve my husband a little bit. This is how much he's gonna be getting. Huh? A little bit of pasta.
Oh yeah.
And then
look at those meatballs.
Oh, look at these meatballs. One. Why am I gonna give him like 3 of them, Mike? What do you think?
Oh yeah.
1 by 1. 2. And look at that, Michael.
3.
This is like
restaurant style.
3. You don't want to put any more because then, Hold on.
Oh, yeah,
more sauce. Excuse me.
It's beautiful.
Excuse me. You gotta move.
Oh, I was taking a little picture.
Right, yeah.
That's how pretty it is. Oh, I'm gonna take another
I gotta
picture.
put sauce in it.
Wow, look at that, guys. Look at those meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Mama spaghetti and meatballs.
But I have shown before how to make the thing. I'm just putting it all together. It's what's all about the meatballs. And I cut up a little bit of bread, if you can see right here. And I put it in this toaster that you see over here. Didn't want to put it in the oven. That way I can keep an eye on it. So I'm going to give my husband like a couple of these. Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
1, couple of 2, or 3.
3's good.
3 little pieces is good, and this is what he's gonna be eating. Voila! And here's my Mama's meatballs. They're delicious. So I'm gonna put it over there so everybody can see. I want you guys to tell me if you guys make a duplicate. Try to make it like my sauce. I want you to let me know if you like it, how good it was, stuff like that. If it came out good, if it gave you a hard time, how long did it took? And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. It's Friday. You know the drill. Don't drink and drive. If you're going to drink, have someone that doesn't drink drive. And if that's someone that is going with you drinks also, call cab. Or they still have those. What do you call those, Michael?
Uber.
Them Uber things, whatever. We don't have it anymore here. But call an Uber. Let me see what else I'm going to say. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter. Don't forget to press the notification button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to love us. We love you too. And keep in mind that it's a long week and it's only Friday. If you want to not doing anything, get yourself a little bottle of wine, a little bit of spaghetti and meatballs, homemade, some toast. I'm telling you, this is delicious. I know my husband is going to enjoy it, as well as I know that all you guys are going to enjoy it. So with that, I'm going to let you go. Have a nice weekend. Love you all. And guess what? Don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching.